Today is the 23rd of May and I've come out to Northampton to get some epic train spotting stuff in, and of course this morning I was kind of let down with a Caledonian Sleeper, but oh my days, didn't it make up for it and a whole lot more. The whole episode will just finish with my favourite classes of engines and with a small little diversion and perfect timing all round. I'm pretty proud of this episode, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get on with it. Welcome to Purple & Co. Right, time for some hot cross buns. Anyway, so this morning the grand plan was to get up to Wilson's Farm Crossing to catch the Caledonian Sleeper coming from north to south, but they diverted it last moment, leaving me absolutely gutted. But I have just looked at rugby, and it seems the Caledonian Sleeper that went up north earlier got stopped up in Cumbria because it's all flooded up there. Instead of running her back on along the main line, they're actually running it through here. So we've got the Caledonian Sleeper coming through. Ah, yes!
Lovely.
Yours has to freaking spoil it. She just never shuts up.
Oh no, bloody channels.
That driver gave such a massive toot, I nearly fucking spilt my drink.
Oh, you're wrong, Cam. Stop swearing. So this is our boy Nathan. He's from Northampton and Lamport Railway, where on the 1st of June they've got their big model weekend. So hopefully we'll see you all there. But I'm going to go make myself comfortable somewhere because we've got about an hour and a half before 37 comes through.
Cool.
Yeah, 37. Do you like his Teletubby suit?
Yeah, it's rubbish, isn't it?
I like it. I like it.
What was it like to wake up after having never gone to sleep? That was when you were born. Just in the same way as you don't focus your attention on how you make your thyroid gland function, so in the same way you don't have any attention focused on how you shine the sun. So then, let me connect this with the problem of birth and death, which puzzles people enormously at first. Because in order to understand what the self is, you have to remember that it doesn't need to remember anything. Just like you don't need to know how you work your thyroid gland. You're not going to have to put up with everlasting non-existence, because that's not an experience. A lot of people are afraid that when they die, they're going to be locked up in a dark room forever.